Hi there guys, my name's James. I'm one of the sales executives here at Audi in Coventry. Today we're bringing you an absolutely stunning car that we've got in stock. This is the Audi TTS and we're going to give you 5 reasons why you should be buying this car. Number 1, this Audi TTS is finished in the absolutely stunning colour that is Vegas yellow. Hey, don't forget about the black roof. Yeah, what he said. Black roof, looks brilliant. Number 2, nice big 20-inch V-spoke Audi Sport alloys. Number 3, the interior spec of this car is absolutely huge. TTSs come with a lot of stuff as standard anyway, however in this one you still get your navigation, you still get your Bang & Olufsen sound system, technology package including wireless phone charging as well. Great interior spec. Number 4, it's the beating heart of the machine, the engine. It's a 2-litre TFSI petrol engine, it will get you 310 brake horsepower. Last but not least, number 5. You know you're driving a TTS because you hear it from the exhaust, the pop, whiz and bang. If you think this TTS is the car for you, don't hesitate, pop in the showroom or give us a call.